Good morning. My name's Kyle. I'm the Pentographer, and I'd like to thank you for spending time with me again today. So this is another pen I would like to buy video. There's no way I'm going to buy this pen anytime soon, but I do want to get one. And that pen is the Lamy 2000. I figured this would be an easy one to do because the Lamy 2000 is a very popular pen, very common among pen enthusiasts, people who love them. It's famous, basically, in that world, in the world of stationery. It comes in several forms as well. It also comes not just a fountain pen version, but it also comes in a ballpoint. So, you know, you can get it in it whichever way you would like. I think it's a great pen. It looks amazing. There was a brief time there where I thought I might actually get a hold of one, but I was never able to. But that would have been sort of a special edition green one. There was I think they called it forest green or something like that. That one was available for a little while. It was a gift set, and I don't know, there wasn't a lot of fanfare around it, so it wasn't clear when it was available and when it was not available anymore. Now I think you can only get it on eBay for like $1,000, which is crazy, so it's too bad. But the Lamy 2000 is famous for its hooded design, its simple design. It's got a little ink window in it, it's got a brushed look to it. It comes in aluminum and a black acrylic, or like black, I forget what it is. I want to say it's an acrylic, but either way, the body is like got a sort of a brushed feel to it, no matter what you get it in. And I believe it's a piston filler. Yeah, it's a piston filler, and it just looks like an all-around wonderful pen to use. It's got a little snap cap on it. A lot of people don't like the little clips that they have to have it snap on there, the lid snap on. Not sure how you would do that if you didn't have those. So I often find those criticisms fairly, I don't know, silly, I guess is the best word I think for it. Because how else would you do that? I don't know. Like, they designed the pen the way they designed it, and I just feel like that's sort of a silly criticism of it. But yeah, no, it's I think it's a fairly thick pen. It's sort of a cigar shape, and I believe the barrel unscrews, or if you do unscrew the barrel, or no, it's the piston filling cap, the piston filling finial on the end of it. It blends in so well with the body when it's all screwed down tightly. You can hardly tell it's there, and then you unscrew it and you're like, oh, there is a separation here. That's cool. So I mean, I've seen that a lot too. But yeah, that is a pen I would like to get. I would like to get it not only because it's a gold nib, that actually has very little to do with it, but because it seems like it's a staple in a lot of collections. It's just kind of one of the pens you have, you know, and it's pretty classy looking too. So I mean, I tend to like classier looking pens. I mean, I have my colorful ones as well, but there's a reason why I go for the more sleek designs. I've got a couple of like fairly colorful pens, but I go for sort of more clean and sleek, classy looking pens versus the flowery, flashy ones. Again, got a couple of those, but not too many and nothing crazy. The Lamy 2000 is right in line with that. It is the perfect example of a sleek, classy, well-designed pen that can sit in your collection and even be used as a daily writer or whatever you want. desk pen. And yeah, I just think it's a good one. One that I've wanted for a while. One that I would like to get, well, sooner rather than later, but I don't think that's going to happen anytime soon. But yeah, just kind of a nice one to have in the collection. Pretty stock standard staple of the fountain pen industry. And yeah, that's one that I would like. So I'm going to go off script here for a minute. I am going to redo this video after work, I think, because I think I should do some research on who designed this pen, because that would be appropriate for this video. And I'm not talking very well right now because I haven't been recording videos, so I'm a little bit off. Okay, that is part one. That is the first take of this video. I'm going to do another one later so that I can